Kia ora tātou. I would like to call this whānau meeting to order. General business. Mum?
Kao.
Tama? No. Koro?
I've got a kaupapa I want to talk about, and that's death.
What?
My death.
No.
No, kei te pai. Look, I've just been to the doctor, and I'm as strong as a bull, but I'm not going to last forever.
I don't want to talk about
Tai hoa, bub. See, that's the problem with a lot of whānau. They don't sort the stuff out until it's too late. Now, last week I sorted out my will. Man, I've seen some mamai and whānau that don't have a will, eh?
Oh, yeah, do you remember when Johnny died?
No, that's still not talking. Oh, I scored a second-hand coffin from Trade Me.
Second-hand?
Whoa, kei te pai. It's only missing a handle. And you've sorted out my farewell song, eh?
Yes, that's right. It's a raining man. Ow, hallelujah.
That's enough. That's it. Oh.
Is it hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back?
But the most important thing, koutou mā, is I want to go back to our whenua.
Why are we even talking about this?
Because this is what a whānau hui is all about. Kōrero, even the hard stuff.
Like who the truck's going to.
Tama, you egg. Koro, I don't want you to die.
But I'm going to be around for a long time yet. And yes, Tama, you will be getting the truck because you are the eldest male mokopuna. Therefore, you have to clean me up if I tickle the bed. Meeting closed. Ah.